Welcome to the Supreme Court Podcast. Can fathers apply for remedies under the Anti-VAWC Against Women and Their Children law? This was discussed by the Supreme Court in the case Knutson v. Knutson, GR number 239215. In this case, a father became estranged from his wife after he discovered her extramarital affairs. However, the father continued to provide support for his wife and their daughter. The father later learned that his wife hurt their child by pulling her hair, slapping her face, and knocking her head. At one time, his wife even pointed a knife at their daughter, threatening to kill the child. His wife also texted him about her plan to kill their child and commit suicide. Alarmed, the father went to the regional trial court to ask for temporary and protection orders against his wife for placing their child in an environment harmful to her physical, emotional, moral, and psychological development. But the RTC dismissed the father's petition on the ground that protection and custody orders under the Anti-VAWC Against Women and Their Children, or the Anti-VAWC law, were not available to the father because he was not a woman victim of violence. The father sought recourse to the Supreme Court, which ruled in his favor. The court ruled that while the Anti-VAWC law excludes men as victims, this does not mean the law denies a father of its remedies solely because of his gender or the fact that he is not a woman victim of violence. Under Section 9, Paragraph B of the Anti-VAWC law, parents or guardians of the victim may file a petition for protection orders. This provision was further incorporated in the law's implementing rules as well as in AM number 04-10-11-SC, or the Rule on Violence Against Women and Children. The Anti-VAWC law speaks in clear language when it used the word parents, pertaining to the father and the mother of the woman or child victim, with no qualification as to who between the parents of the victim may apply for protection orders. In the present case, the father is not asking for a protection order in his favor, but for his daughter. The court thus issued a permanent protection order in the daughter's favor. To read the full text of this case, visit the Supreme Court website and search for the case Knutson v. Knutson, GR number 239215.